Hello, Mariah. My name is Devin. He spoke with my partner Mary yesterday. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time of speaking for her or speaking with her and then taking the time for watching this video. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out American arborists right here in your area. As we see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Reno Tree Service. Now I know you guys do landscaping and not only just tree services, but this is something you guys would want to rank for right here, as well as they're right here on the organic listing. As you see, this gets 320 searches a month, which is one of the highest in the area. So really quickly, I know you're probably wondering why I'm making you this video. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't really have time to learn how the internet could bring them more leads and more business itself. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't understand who is and who isn't an expert. So I found out if I make these attack plans, just give them away for free. Some owners go out there and do the stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is just educate you and give you some good information. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I want to go over here is content. As we see, we have your guys' site right here. So Google typically likes to see 2,000 to really 1,500 to 2,000 words on these front pages right here. And we see you guys have under 500 words of content on this front page. Google likes to see this content because in their eyes, that's what's going to keep customers not only on Google longer, but it's the more content is going to keep them on your page longer. And Google wants to sell those ads that they have on their website right here. So Google's crawling everybody's website, seeing who has the most content, so they can choose which sites they want to list up here in these organic listings right here. As you see, we have the ad section right up here. So we hop over here to Reno Arborist. We see that you guys have roughly about the same amount of content as them on the front page. They may have a little bit more, definitely beatable. And I'm going to show you why they're outranking you here in a second. But again, just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page will definitely help put you in the spotlight for Google when it's coming to meeting that authority mark. Equally important as content, it would be these keywords. So a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google. For example, Reno Tree Service would be a keyword people are typing in. It gets 320 clicks a month. Or you could even type in Reno Landscaping. So let's see how many searches this gets a month. So these keywords are what people are or customers are going to be typing in on Google when they're trying to find service for you guys. As we see, landscaping gets 880 clicks a month. So you guys want to be having these high volume keywords on this front page right here, so Google understands to send that traffic to your guys' site. So when people are typing in Reno landscaping, you want to be right here, front and center, right here. So again, you want to have 1,500 words of content as well as those keywords in here. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies, so they don't want to see Pizza Hut sending you authority back to your site. They'll give you a lot more power for using like other tree or landscaping companies, and they'll give you really, really good power for that. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You guys can Google search that if you don't have to use this one right here. But I see you guys don't have any backlinks and no referring domains. So referring domains is the amount of websites you have your site listed in, and a backlink is just how many times your link is listed, like total. So we see you guys don't have any information at all right here. You guys aren't getting any traffic towards your website. As we hop over here to Reno Tree Service, American Arborist, we see they have 240 different websites, giving them a total of 915 backlinks. And we see the amount of keywords they're using and then how much traffic they're getting through their website. So backlinks are really simple. You just want to come in here. We can see all the different sites that they have their website listed in, and you want to come in here and copy all of these. If these were good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to come in here. A lot of these are blog posts. Some of these are directories. So you just come create an account, leave a little comment, and then drop a link back to your website. So with these two tips here, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section. Everything under these maps and under these ads, that's what's going to get you ranked right here on this first page and really dominate Google. If you want to be ranked right here, number one in this map section, this has everything to do with citations. So citations are completely free. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors to be ranked right here. Um, a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is really just any website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 22 citations. American Arborist has 37. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here, we can see exactly what directories these guys have listed for their company. You guys should go out there and grab all of these for yourself right here. And then if they have 37, I would recommend going out and getting 100 to really dominate the game right here. So that's all I have for you, Mariah. I tried to keep this short and sweet. Quick recap, I went over just content, getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content so Google understands to put you in that spotlight, as well as adding those high volume keywords locally that you guys want to be ranking for. And then we talked about backlinks. Second, going out and putting backlinks towards your website, going out, doing the copycat method, just taking all of these right here, and then as well as the same thing for these citations right here. So again, my name is Devin. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.